Hi folks, my name is Dib. Welcome to BISH'S RV. Today we're going to show you this Travato 59G. Off-grid rig, very nice, short, goes everywhere. A ton of features in it. Let's go inside and show you some. So here we go. Welcome folks. Right off the bat, you can see how welcoming this coach is. I'm not very tall, but this is over 6 feet tall, so you can stand in it. Unlike other makes, you know, where they make that pop-up. TV is right there. This is the cool features in here. You got the sink, all right? I like that, and stove top, 2 burners. People love this. This is a nice feature, and you can walk in through this coach nicely. Very nice bath. It's a wet bath, but you got the shower head, you got, porcelain right here. You're pretty cool. And as I'm walking here, it's because the bed, see, is stored away. So I can have access to the back, access to the front, whatever I want. Tons of storage, folks. Look at that. This is beautiful. Up here also, look at that, your AC. Now we go to the microwave, actual microwave. Look at this. I like it. And then, of course, you got your fridge. That's very nice. And down here, I believe this is your freezer. Look at that. This is a big size freezer. Again, more storage, in a way, your pantry. This thing keeps on giving. Of course, you got the screen, which is an option. Now it's probably standard. So good stuff. As we walk out with the running boards, folks, if you can see, we come through. You got solar ready. You got 110 plug-in right here. Look at that, LED lights on top. As we go through, there's your bike rack, your hitch, your camera. The ladder, that's the sturdier one. Nice to go. Right here, when you see this pipe, folks, that's your gen. So the gen is right there on it. So as we go through, I like this step here for the driver's side. Big mirrors. And this is just all around almost perfect with a roof rack also on top of it. Again, my name is Dib. There's a ton of information available. Give me a call, 541-515-1237. Thank you.